Heartbeat. Heartbeat is a rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart. In a normal adult person, the heartbeat is around 72 times in 1 minute. The heartbeat consists of two main steps. They are contraction and expansion phase. Contraction and expansion phase. Contraction is the contraction of either auricles or ventricles. So, the contraction phase is also known as systole. Expansion phase is a expansion of or relaxing the auricles or ventricles is a diastole. So first, arterial systole. The auricles get contrasted occurs to force the blood to the ventricles, and then the systole of ventricles occurs. When the auricles are in a systole phase, the ventricles are in diastole phase. So this continuous process will take place. So during the diastole, the chambers are filled with the blood. So the entire sequence of events in the heartbeat is known as cardiac cycle. So each full beat of human heart lasts for about 0.85 seconds. So these 0.85 seconds are divided as systole of atria 0.15 seconds, systole of ventricles 0.30 seconds, all chambers in relaxed state 0.40 seconds. So total 0.8 seconds will take for a one human heartbeat. Heart sound. So there are two heart sound, that is one is lub, second one is dub. So these sounds, if you hear your heart sound by placing a stethoscope on your chest. So stethoscope is an instrument which is used to measure the heartbeat. So when you keep the stethoscope on your chest, you can hear two sounds, that is lub and dub. So how this sound produced? So it is because the first sound is lub. The lub is produced when the tricuspid valve and bicuspid valves get closed. When the two atrioventricular valves, when they get closed, there will be lub sound. Secondly, dub sound. Dub sound is produced when there is a closure of aortic semilunar valve and pulmonary semilunar valve. So when these get closed, there will be dub sound is produced. The rate of heartbeat varies among different species. So the different organisms or different species, there will be variation in the heartbeat and even in the individuals of the same species. So it is because smaller the size, faster the heartbeat. If the size of an species or organism is smaller in size, there will be faster rate, heartbeat will be faster. So that is the smaller animals loses the more body heat due to the higher surface volume. Therefore, the increased heart rate distributes body heat faster. So when the surface area or surface volume is more, the more amount of heat which is released out. So in case of human baby, there will be higher metabolism for the body growth. The metabolic activity will takes place in a more because the body is starts it is a growing stage. So when the heart beat faster, the metabolic substances are supplied and take off in a right quantity. That means when the heartbeat is faster, so whichever the substances are needed to supply, or which supply heart which the substances are need to release out, so these function takes place in a right time and right quantity. So there will be higher metabolism for the body growth.